Hey everyone, welcome to another great video of Stay Outside and Explore. Today we are unboxing a new Food Saver vacuum sealer appliance. So, got this off of Amazon, comes with bags and then rolls of stuff. So, I had one almost similar to this, and I had it for quite a few years, and I wore it out. I use it so much. I use it for when we make brats and just anything. So yeah, here it is, the new Food Saver. Let's see if I can find the model number on this. Maybe it's right here. Nope. So the electric gets wrapped up right here, the electrical cord, and then it's on. There you go. They got some cardboard in here to keep this all nice. And then yeah, I've used one similar to this, and like I said, the sealing mechanism worked, but not the vacuum. It would suck, and then it wouldn't go very far. So I'm gonna look up the model number here real quick. It should be on here. Okay, so it's the FM 2000 model, and so I've used it before. Comes with where you can do stuff in a jar if you want, but I don't really use the jar adapter. I just do like the Food Saver bags and stuff like that. So what's nice about this is you can lock this, and then when you hit the button, it'll seal, and then you can open it up. I know there's bigger versions. Basically, you're getting the same Food Saver appliance. Why it's a little bit bigger is because then it can hold bags. It's got the cutter and all that fancy stuff. This right here on Amazon was about $110. So yeah, like I said, I've used it a lot. I've wore the first one out, and it gave me really good years of life. So, and you'll see me, I got some steaks that I want to seal up. Might do that tomorrow, like burgers and stuff like that. I use it for tons of stuff. It just works so great. So, alright, well, that's just my unboxing video that I have, the Food Saver 2000. Seems really nice. We'll put it to the test probably tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you'll see more videos for me doing this, and subscribe to my channel. Oh, one thing. It is so nice out today, this evening. I can't believe how nice it was. Today's Monday. Last week, Wednesday and Thursday, it got up like to 101. It was so hot. Felt like Vegas. And I've been in Vegas when it got up to 105, 106. It just felt like that. But today it's really nice. So, yeah, no complaints here. No mosquitoes problem this year. Maybe one or two, but nothing like in past years. So, all right. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.